guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheetal and in today's video I'm going to share with you all an affordable makeup kit for beginners which include all the products under 500 rupees. So I remember when I was a beginner I used to search for products under my budget. I used to sort them from price low to hands, then I used to buy them. But still I wanted to have a very good quality product, so that's what I'm going to do in today's video. All the products that I have mentioned in this video are under 500 rupees but are still extremely good quality. Also, all the links for the products will be in the description box below, and every product and their price range will be mentioned in the screen. So yeah, let's begin. First product that I have is a moisturizer. It is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. It is their non-oily fresh feel. So this is the moisturizer. It is an extremely good moisturizer, you guys. This one I have used it for a long period of time and I still use it daily. I love this moisturizer. It feels very light on skin. Also gives the hydration that you need for your skin. Doesn't feel tacky at all or heavy at all on your skin. It is like it just get absorbs in your skin and also gives a slight glow to your skin, which is really good. So yeah, this is the moisturizer I'll suggest all the beginners to have in their makeup kit. Now moving on to sunscreen. The sunscreen that I have in the beginner's makeup kit is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. So this sunscreen I have been using it for like 4 to 5 years now. I love this sunscreen. I have never touched another sunscreen other than this. This one is again in the budget. It retails for rupees 199 I guess, and it is extremely comfortable on skin. It is like a moisturizer with SPF. It feels like that. No, it has SPF 50++ and PA++++, which is extremely good. I literally love this sunscreen, and this small tube will last you for a month, so that is a good deal. So yeah, this is the sunscreen that I have in the affordable beginners makeup kit. Now moving on to actual makeup. For foundation, I have two options for foundation. The first one is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and the second one is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. So the Wet n Wild foundation, it retails for 500 rupees I guess, but it is always on sale and you will get it for 300 or 400 rupees. And this one, the L'Oreal True Match one, it is a little bit expensive, more than 500 rupees, but it is always on sale. Today also I checked it on Nykaa and it was for 509 rupees. So yeah, you will get it for 500 rupees. These two foundation, I love these two foundation. This one again, so let's talk about this one first. So this is extremely comfortable foundation. The consistency is very thin. It is very comfortable on skin. It is breathable. Also, it is medium to blendable coverage foundation and extremely good for beginners, and also extremely good for day-to-day makeup looks. So yeah, this is the foundation that I have. And now let's talk about the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Again, it is a blendable foundation, extremely comfortable on skin. It is a very thin foundation. It has a medium to blendable coverage, and it has a little sheen in it, so it gives a subtle glow to your face. So yeah, that's why I love this foundation. It just makes your skin look like your skin, but better. Now moving on to concealers. The concealer that I have is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 medium in this one. So I have been loving this concealer for so long now. It is a really good concealer. It is not like those thick concealers. It does not crease under your eyes. It is very comfortable and also easy to use and under budget as well. So yeah, this is the concealer I'll suggest all the beginners to have with them. Now coming on to setting powder. So setting powder that I have in this kit is the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. It is a extremely affordable setting powder. Does its job perfectly. It is a matte setting powder. Gives a matte finish to your face. Sets the base perfectly. So yeah, this is the setting powder I'll suggest all the beginners to have in their makeup kit. Now we are done with base makeup. Now let's move on to blush, highlighter and contour. So for that I have one product, 3-in-1 product for that, because if you're gonna buy a blush, it will cost you at least 300-400 rupees. If you're gonna buy an individual highlighter, it will cost you 400-500 rupees, and same to the to the contour powder. So I thought instead of that, beginners should have this, because it has all the three products in it, and it is priced at rupees 800. So if you divide 800 by 3, it is way too much less than 500 each product. I am in the shade Contour the Force Face Palette in 01 Subtle Summit. So this has a blush in it, a highlighter in it, and a contour powder in it. The highlighter in it, I love this highlight, you guys. It is very subtle. Like, look at that. Doesn't have that chunky particles, glitter particles in it. It looks very subtle, gives you a inside kind of glow. Also, the contour powder is also really good, and the blush is extremely good, you guys. And if you don't wanna invest in this one and just buy one blush for yourself, then I have a suggestion for you. The blush that I have is again by Sugar. It is their Contour the Force Mini Blush, and it is in the shade 01 Peach Peak. So this is again a very good blush. It is in the budget, also really good. The pigmentation is really good. It is a buildable pigmentation, which is good for a blush, and yeah, it is affordable as well. So this is the blush I'll suggest for the beginners. Now the another blush suggestion that I have is this one. So it is the Fit Me blush. This one is priced at rupees 400 something. Yeah, and again it is a medium to buildable coverage blush, which is good for yeah, for a blush. And I'm in the shade pink in this one. So yeah, this is also a good blush for beginners. Now let's move on to eyes. Starting with the eyebrows, the eyebrow pencil that I have with me is the Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. I'm in the shade 02 dark brown in this one. So it is a really good eyebrow pencil, you guys. It has a spoolie on one side and pencil end is on another side. I have to have these pencils which have spoolie in with it. Like, these are very comfortable to use. This pencil particularly is very pigmented. The color is really good. It is good for all Indian girls, for all Indian skin tones. So yeah, this is the pencil that I have, and it is extremely affordable. So yeah, this is the eyebrow pencil that I will suggest. Now moving on to mascara. The mascara that I'll suggest is this one. This is the OG favorite mascara. Everybody loves it for a very long time now. This is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. So this is the first mascara I have ever bought, and this is not that one. I have like used so many of them till date. This one I love it so much. It gives you that separates your lashes and gives you a good volume to your lashes. So yeah, this is the mascara. It is again under 500 rupees. So yeah, affordable as well and good quality as well. So this is the mascara I'll suggest. Moving on to kajals. The kajal pencil suggestions that I have for you guys are this one. These are by the Wet n Wild. These are the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Liner. So I have two shades in this one. I have the one is the brown one. So this is how the brown one looks, and another one is a nude one, and this is how the nude looks. So these are extremely affordable. These are priced at rupees I guess 135 rupees, and does its job perfectly. The nude one I use to open up my eyes sometimes, and the brown one I use very often. Also, you get a very good quantity in the price range. So yeah, these are the kajal pencils that I have in this kit. Now moving on to eyeliner. The eyeliner that I have that I will suggest is this one. This is the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Gold Liner. The first eyeliner is the Lakme Insta eyeliner, but that I don't have it right now with me. So that liner, every beginner must already have that liner, and if you don't, you can buy that one. Or the other option that that I have is the Maybelline Colossal Gold Liner. It is a really good liner. The tip is really good. It is very convenient to use. You can easily draw a wing with it. This is how the finished look. It is a very black matte liner. Also stays for a very good period of time on your eyes. So yeah, this is the liner that I'll suggest. And now coming on to eyeshadow palettes. So eyeshadow palettes, when it comes to beginners, it is a little tricky because everyone has their own preferences in eyeshadow. But still, I have two suggestions for beginners in the eyeshadow palette. So the first one is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So you guys don't judge my eyeshadow palette. I have used and abused it a lot. So these two shades are so completely gone, and this one is about to finish up now. So this is the palette. When I was a beginner, this wasn't the first palette I have bought. I bought it I guess 3 years ago, and I have used it a lot. It is very good. The pigmentation is really good. The shades blends very nicely, which is a very good thing for beginners. So yeah, this is the palette I'd suggest you to buy if you are a beginner. And the next palette that I have for beginners is this one. It is the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette. So this one is again under 500 rupees. This one retails for 400 rupees. I guess e.l.f. just now has launched in India. I literally love this eyeshadow palette. It is a little bit pricey for the price range, but still if you are a beginner and you don't want to get confused with shades, you can have this one palette and you are good to go. Now we are done with eyes, face and everything. Like now let's move on to my favorite part, that is lipsticks. So I have 2-3 options for lipsticks. So let's begin with the first one. The first one that I have is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So these lipsticks are extremely good, you guys. They are retailed at rupees 295 only. The formula is to die for. They are matte lipsticks, not drying at all. They doesn't transfer at all. You might need 2 coats of it sometimes, but other than that, the shade range is really good. The formula is really comfortable and it lasts for a very good period of time on your lips. So yeah, these are the lipsticks that I love. So I think you should go for these lipsticks. These are priced at rupees only 295. So yeah, these are the lipsticks that I have for the suggestion number 1. For the next suggestion that I have, these are the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipsticks. So these, as you must have already guessed from my previous video, I literally love these lipsticks and I have so many shades in this. So these are extremely comfortable on lips, creamy but gives matte finish as well. Not an extremely matte finish, but still a good matte finish. Also stays for 4 to 5 hours and very comfortable on lips. And this one also has extremely good shades in this one. So yeah, this is the second suggestion in lipsticks. Now the next lipstick that I have is the Nykaa Pen Sticks. So these are again very affordable. The formula is really good. This does transfer and does not last for a very long period of time on your lips, but are very affordable. And for this price range, these lipsticks are really good. And the last lipstick that I have is the Nykaa Creamy Matte range. So these are similar to the Maybelline Creamy Mattes. These are again very comfortable demi matte lipstick. The formula is very creamy and very comfortable. Again, have a good shade range in it and lasts for a good 3 to 4 hours. Does transfer and does the shade does fade off after eating. But again, for this price range, these lipsticks are really good and really big. So yeah guys, these are all the makeup products I have in the beginner's makeup kit. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the notification button so whenever I'll post a video you'll get notified. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.